Alright, back at it again. It's Monday. I'm in a video throughout the week and show what's going on. Right now I'm getting ready to do more fencing. Let's check it out. Alright, so I just picked up a bunch more T-posts. Just got over 50 more of them. That'll be enough to finish this front section of the fence. The back fence is pretty well laid out, complete. I've just got to go back and wire it. I just picked up some more clips so I can do that. I was doing wire before, but the T-post clips are much better. So I'm gonna start doing T-post this way, get this area at least fenced in, and yeah, just keep doing some fence. Alright, I got a good number of T-posts in. Getting close to halfway. This ground's really hard, so it's like hammering them into concrete. It's taken a few hours. I think once I get to the archway, I'm gonna drop back and start putting up the wire fence. Alright, it's Tuesday. Got tractor work being done. Getting this all graded out. This is where the tiny home's gonna go. My tiny home. Got Uncle Glade on the job. And it's looking good. Starting to take shape. Alright, we're taking a look at it from over here. It's been all out, graded out really nicely. Uncle Glade did a really awesome job. So my tiny home's gonna fit back up in here, and this will kind of be where I park up here. But it came out way better than I thought. He really graded it down a lot. And then he's taking our dirt and he's beefing up the little ramp area where we get on and off backcountry road. But this is great. I can literally pull up, park right here, and then my tiny home will sit right back in here. It's not super huge, it's like 8 feet by 16 feet, so it's a tiny home. But it's really spacious, so it'll sit right back in here. I'm gonna get some trees, do a bunch of landscaping. We're gonna get the septic tank hooked up, water hooked up, power hooked up. We actually found that we have a water main right here. This is our water main shut off. And so we can pipe into this, and we're gonna hook up water here to the tiny home, hook up a septic tank, run some power. I'll be good to go, and then eventually get it on a small solar system. But pretty sweet. And this is a look at it from the other end. So this has just been leveled out a lot. It had a pretty big dip in it. So this is nice, it's smoothed out. This is the road, we're going to be taking this back road to bring the tiny home in, so this will definitely help. Alright, it's still Monday. We got this section of the fence up, and I'm happy to say that we've got a bunch of the raspberries planted. I saved over 20 raspberry plants from the old house. Gone through, planted them out between the posts, and there's enough of them to go the length of this to the arbor. So it'll be just over 100 feet worth of raspberries. This stuff's in the way. We're temporarily putting this stuff here. We have tree cutters coming tomorrow. They're gonna remove this tree, so that's why these things are here. But we've got this whole fencing line pretty well planted with raspberries. So next spring we should be looking pretty good. They will come up through here really nicely, I'm thinking. So we'll have raspberries for next year. Moving up here, It was an all-day event for the tractor work, and my uncle, he got it all leveled out. This is awesome. So the vision is I'm gonna have a carport here. I can drive in, have my carport, my tiny home, and then I'm gonna have some kind of a shed. But this is all looking really nice. All leveled out. A lot of space up here. So this is just perfect. And it's got awesome views. So the house will sit, the middle of it will sit about right here. Super stoked. So that's progress for today, Monday. We'll keep filming during the week. All right, and here it is. I found this on Facebook Marketplace and checked it out a couple weeks ago. It fits the bill for what I need. It's on wheels right now. Eventually, when I get a cement slab laid, I may take it off of the wheels. We'll see. But it's pretty cool. I slept in it last night. I still got to level it out. But let's take a peek. Galaxy thinks that it's his house. So you come in here. You've got the little, it's kind of not all put together yet, obviously, but you've got the little kitchenette area. You've got the little hide-a-bed that folds down. And then also there's a little loft that you can climb up. This will be perfect for my kids, or kids when they visit, for one of them anyway. A little sitting area. And it is tiny. It's small. It's small. Once you put this, I think it's a queen size bed down, it takes up all this floor space, but for me right now it's cool. It's perfect. It's got a little bathroom. Little shower. Pretty cool. It's simple. It'll fit my needs for now, for at least a few years till I do something different maybe, or just expand and get another tiny home and put it next to this one. Once you buy a tiny home, that's it. It's paid for. You don't have a mortgage, so I like that part, because right now this is paid for and I don't have a mortgage. So super stoked. Just wanted to show this video. I'll show updates here and there throughout my garden videos of stuff I'm doing to it. But that'll be the video for this week and today. Thanks for watching.